So you work with some of the top-notch leaders, as we just saw and heard. Are they all that confident in change?
No. No, absolutely. I mean, when you think about paranoia, you think about the Jeff Bezos story, he literally is paranoid. And when he gets in trouble with that, it's because that fear ends up running amok. He doesn't channel it into actual energy. He doesn't focus it on outcomes. And we're all guilty of that. I mean, paranoia is something that we need to put to work for us, those natural fears that we have. And it happens to everyone at every level. I've seen people who have been career actors get nervous before they go on stage. Just a little of that paranoia can be a great thing if it actually brings energy to the work you're doing.
So the fear is still there,
yes,
but they just channel it in different ways.
It's a route of bringing that and using that as an asset, because we've all got it. Let's use that as something that's productive rather than our enemy.
How important would you say is emotional intelligence as a leader?
It's critical. You know, there's now so many levels of intelligence, from artificial intelligence to IQ. The emotional intelligence right now is recruiting people to change and to innovation is so hard because it's not a natural act. We're all naturally risk-averse. We should be. So if you're not emotionally intelligent about making it feel safe for people to take risks and fail, that's the difference between good and great. It's about being able to recruit people who trust you, who are willing to fall in on a project together to make it work, rather than beat each other up every time there's a failure.